Hello, friends. This is Harith. Uh, I'm your friend, journalist Harith from Chandigarh, and today I'm gonna speak on the issue of 10,323 teachers. And so I think I should wait 2 or 3 minutes, as it takes around 4 to 5 minutes to get all you people over here. So today I'm gonna share you a very important news regarding NDTV and Ravish Kumar. So I'm waiting for you people so that you can join me fast, and I'm there for you all the time. As you know that I'm also doing a day job, so I also have to do my work. But whenever I get a free time, I definitely I secure my time for you people, as I know that you people are suffering a lot. You people don't have money to feed your kids. You people don't have uh, money to buy medicines for your kid. Or suppose if somebody gets ill in your family, or if somebody is under the weather in your family, so you don't have a single buck in your pocket left behind. So I admire your patience, and I just bow my head in reverence, as you people have shown a great patience, in the present world, where all the dimensions of this world are based on materialism. It is all about money, and you people are suffering since last 16 months. And you people have kids, and you don't have any fixed income. So I just want to tell you, around 52 or around 60 people have come online. So today I'm gonna talk to you regarding, uh, as I have mentioned you and as I've told you, that very soon I'm going to write some letters. 10 to 15 days back, I have just spoken to your people and said that give me around 10 to 15 days. I'll write some letters and I'll make some press notes, and will send all the press notes to the leading media agencies like ANI, Aaj Tak, India TV, G News, and NDTV, respectively. And yesterday I put number of put number of Ravish Kumar NDTV on the Facebook, so that most of the people who are suffering from the tragedy of 10,323, they could be able to talk to Ravish Kumar. You know why I did this? Because I'm also in depression, because I have been hearing a lot from you people. You people are dying of hunger. You people are dying of not paying EMI to banks, and you people are in depression. So as I put the number of Ravish Kumar, I know that this is wrong, that I should not be putting these kind of personal numbers to the social media, and he's such a big name in the media. But let me tell you one thing very precisely. See, partly owing to your people depression, and partly owing to my personal concern for you, I had put his number over there, so that 10,000 people would be able to reach him via WhatsApp, so that 10,000 people may be able to connect him. Suppose you tell me, if 10 to 15 or 5 people are calling him, he will not be taking your matter seriously. The Ravish Kumar, he will not take your matter seriously, because he would think that only 5 or 6 people have talked to me from Tripura. But when you people have talked to him in a bulk, more than 5,000 or 6,000 messages have gone to his WhatsApp, and more than 100 and 200 calling he has gotten since last night. So he would be able to understand that what is the condition. The condition of the victim teachers of Tripura is very critical. So I would like to say, yesterday what happened, one of the members of accused teacher, he's from 10,323 family. His name is टीटू घोष. उनका नाम टीटू घोष है, जो कि अगरतला त्रिपुरा से ही हैं. उन्होंने ही हैज़ स्पोकन टू मिस्टर राविश कुमार इन द इवनिंग टाइम. तो टीटू घोष जी ने राविश कुमार से बात की. एंड ये कल की बात है, कल 8 साढ़े 8 के बीच में जो राविश कुमार जी से बात की है. तो 2 मिनट 34 सेकेंड उन्होंने उनकी बात समझी. और टीटू घोष ने राविश कुमार को बताया कि बीजेपी ने वादा किया था 2018 के चुनावों से पहले कि जैसे ही चुनाव आएंगे, हालांकि ये गलती तो सीपीआई गवर्नमेंट की है या लेफ्ट पार्टी की भी गलती है, कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी की भी गलती है, लेकिन बीजेपी ने चुनावों को ध्यान मद्देनजर रखते हुए ये वादा किया कि जैसे ही हमारी सरकार आएगी तो हम इन लोगों को पक्का करेंगे. He has spoken to his journalist that what is this issue, like the issue has turned out to be very sensitive and the issue is touted to be the most discussed issue among the journalists. तो आप लोगों की जो बात है वो एनडीटीवी तक पहुंच चुकी है. मैं अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग दैट यूर 10,323 इशू हैज़ बीन रीच्ड टू दी एनडीटीवी ऑफिस प्राइम टाइम. और एनडीटीवी ऑफिस में आपका मुद्दा पहुंच चुका है. और आप लोग पेशेंस रखें, ऐसे ही धीरे धीरे ये आज तक पे भी जाएगी, इंडिया टीवी पे भी जाएगी. और आप लोगों को लगातार एट ए स्ट्रेच उनको मैसेज करते रहना ताकि ही वुड बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दी ही वुड बी एबल सो दैट ही वुड बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दी सेंसिटिविटी ऑफ द इशू. वो ये इशू कितना सेंसिटिव है ताकि उनको ये भी पता लग जाए. सो आई होप यू वुड अंडरस्टैंड, यू वुड हैव यू अंडरस्टूड ऑल माई वर्ड्स. सिर्फ मैंने ये बताने के लिए ऑनलाइन आया हूँ कि आप लोग पेशेंस रखें. और जो आपका 10,323 का मुद्दा है, ये राविश कुमार जो कि एनडीटीवी के चीफ एडिटर हैं उन तक पहुँच चुका है. आप किसी भी तरह की चिंता ना कीजिए और थोड़ा सा पेशेंस रखिए. और ये जो इस मुद्दे पे अभी दिल्ली की मीडिया भी गंभीर होगी बहुत. और as I told you that very soon in the next month between 16 August to 20 August I'm going to meet the Education Minister of India, Mr. Ramesh Pokhriyal, and in that meeting I will be picking up one spokesperson from your 10,323 people. I would be picking one person so that he would be able to speak on behalf of you. मैं चाहता हूँ कि एक पर्सन आपकी बिहाफ पे भी बोले. तो जो भी पर्सन यू वुड बी सेलेक्टिंग, दैट पर्सन विल कम अलॉन्ग विद मी. दैट पर्सन विल कम अलॉन्ग विद मी एंड सो दैट बाजी so that we would talk to the education minister. So I hope you understood my point, and I hope you are getting my points. So I have also made a fundraising campaign so that I would be able to collect money from all over India, and would get it distributed to all the people. If so I did not get anything since last day, but if I get something, then definitely I'll try to sponsor your medicines or some sort of money to sponsor your food, as I heard that a lot of people are suffering and dying of hunger. So definitely this issue is now is going to be very sensitive in the eyes of the media of Delhi, and NDTV is talking about 10,323. And definitely, if they would found it freaking good issue to speak on, definitely they will they will make a show on this. And also, in case if it did not, if in case if is not doing any show on that, so have patience and have faith on me. Definitely I'm making press notes and will send all the press notes to the center media, to the all agencies, ANI, PTI and CNI, and Aaj Tak India TV, so that very soon they would be able to tell your problem to the rest of India. ओके, सो आप लोगों का मुद्दा एनडीटीवी तक पहुंच चुका है। अब देखते हैं कि वो इस मुद्दे को कितनी गंभीरता से लेते हैं, लेकिन हम अपने पहले स्टेप में सक्सेसफुल हुए हैं। हम लोगों ने अपनी बात एनडीटीवी तक पहुंचा दी है। धन्यवाद दोस्तों, मैं आपको आज शाम को मिलता हूँ, शायद 9 बजे मैं ऑनलाइन आऊँ। ठीक है, और सब अपना ध्यान रखें और मुझसे जुड़े रहें।